Hello and welcome to our video on the 10 hidden psychology facts about love and sex. In this video, we'll be exploring the intricacies of human relationships and the ways our minds and emotions influence our desires and behaviors. Whether you're single or in a relationship, these hidden psychology facts are sure to surprise and fascinate you. Love and sex are two different things, contrary to popular belief. Love and sex are not the same thing. Love is an emotional connection, while sex is a physical one. The two can overlap, but they are not inherently linked. People can experience love without sex, and they can have sex without love. Understanding this distinction is important for healthy relationships. Men and women have different motivations for sex. Research has shown that men and women have different motivations for having sex. For men, the motivation is often physical pleasure and the desire for release. For women, it's often emotional intimacy and the desire for connection. Understanding these differences can help couples communicate their needs and desires more effectively. Attraction is not a choice. We often think of attraction as a choice, but the truth is that it is not. Attraction is largely driven by unconscious processes, including our biology and our experiences. While we may have some control over who we choose to act on our attractions, the attractions themselves are not something we can easily control. Love can be chemically addictive. When we fall in love, our brains release chemicals such as dopamine and oxytocin, which can create a pleasurable, addictive experience. This is why it can be so difficult to let go of a relationship, even if it's not healthy. Our childhood experiences can influence our adult relationships. Our experiences in childhood can have a profound impact on our relationships in adulthood. For example, if we experienced neglect or abuse in childhood, we may be more likely to seek out similar experiences in adulthood. On the other hand, if we had positive and supportive relationships in childhood, we are more likely to seek out and maintain healthy relationships in adulthood. Jealousy is a natural emotion. Jealousy is a natural emotion that arises in many relationships. It is often a result of insecurity or fear of losing something important. Understanding the root cause of jealousy can help couples address the issue and find healthier ways to cope with it. People have different love languages. People have different ways of expressing and receiving love, known as love languages. Some people may express love through physical touch, while others may express it through acts of service or gift-giving. Understanding our love language and the love languages of our partners can greatly enhance our relationships. Sexual fantasies are normal. Sexual fantasies are a normal part of human sexuality and are nothing to be ashamed of. They can even enhance sexual experiences and relationships. However, it's important to make sure that our fantasies align with our values and that we only act on them in a consensual and respectful manner. Women can have multiple orgasms. Contrary to popular belief, women are capable of having multiple orgasms. This is because the clitoris, which is the main source of female sexual pleasure, has a larger number of nerve endings than the penis. With proper stimulation and communication, women can experience multiple orgasms and a higher level of sexual pleasure. Communication is key to a healthy sex life. Good communication is key to a healthy sex life. This means openly discussing desires, boundaries, and any concerns. When both partners feel comfortable communicating, it can lead to a better relationship.